Hey, what's going on guys, Sergeant's Tech Tips, and welcome to another video on my channel. I haven't done unboxing in a while, so I figured we'd unbox the Rig 800 HD from Planetronics, I think is who makes it. Yep, Planetronics, you can see down here in the corner. Now, I actually have had this Rig 700HX for a few years now, and you can see it's been obviously used. And the reason I upgraded is because the battery life on this one is starting to degrade, which sucks. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I got my trusty knife. This is going to be a review on the headset as well. I am going to compare the sound quality in terms of how I can hear it between the 700HX and the Rig 800 HD. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Hopefully you guys can see okay. Alright, so I got the headset out of the box. As you can see, it looks pretty similar to the one I already have, but it's got this. And I've actually had a headset like this. Go ahead and pull. Oh, they use Velcro straps to hold the headset in. I like that. So I'm going to put it on, because that's what I do when I first get a headset, but if you take a look at it, it's a little different from mine. But if you look at the 700HX, which is my old one, the microphone's also different. This, the new one, so the new one flips down, it also unplugs if I don't want to use it. So this is a headset, as you can see. Oh yeah, they did use another USB Type-A. I was hoping they would do Type-C, but you can see everything's pretty similar. The on switch is actually a switch instead of a button, which I do like, because then you can put it in pairing mode. And then you also got a mic on the old one, and I'm pretty sure... So this one doesn't have a mic mute. That's because when you flip it up, it mutes it. But if you actually look here, I'm guessing that's the pairing button, so that's interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and put that one off to the side. Oh yeah, that's super comfortable, actually. Like, because this headset's super comfortable, but the one I've just put on, the new one, is much more comfortable. I'd say they're about the same. The ear cups could be a little bit bigger for my ears, but I also like the color because it's got like some gold accents on it, which is nice. So yeah, there's that. We're gonna go ahead and flip that up. We're gonna put this off to the side. We're gonna get, it does come with Dolby Atmos, like a free trial of it, which my last one did, and I did mess with it. I don't know if I re-enabled it, but I think I lost the key to it, so it didn't matter. I did mess around with it. It's actually really, really fun. You just need the program for it. It's actually a really, really cool addition. Oh, it comes with a bunch of documentation right here in the little flap in the front. Well, like the front side view, so you get quick start guide, a bunch of other documentation. I'm not even gonna worry about that. That can all just stay there. Pretty sure this is the Dolby Atmos key. So if I scratch this off, you guys can't see it, but if I scratch this off, it'll give me a key. I am actually gonna use that because Dolby Atmos is really nice. Even without Dolby Atmos, I could still hear enemies coming up behind me depending on the game I'm playing. Like Warzone, that headset is really nice, the old one. So that is a Dolby Atmos. Usually these headsets come with Dolby Atmos. You can pay for it, but you can also just get a key, see if you like it. If you like it, then you can pay for it. So here's the adapter for it. And you can actually see it does have digital audio because it's just light traveling. So I'm actually going to take this off. And just real quick, guys, so this is the old adapter to the old headset. This is what it uses. It just plugs into the back of your computer or your console. I'm pretty sure, yeah, because if you see, there's a little switch. But yeah, there's a little switch on the dongle, which you can switch between console and PC, which is a nice addition. So if you have two consoles, you could use the headset for two consoles. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. So this is actually the microphone on the Rig 800 HD. I'm actually going to do the Rig 700HX, my old one, and I'm actually going to use the microphone that is actually a microphone and not a headset microphone. Now, the difference between this headset is it's a lot more comfortable, I will admit that. I did listen to the microphone a little bit just to see how it would sound, and it sounded pretty okay. So we are going to test all the headset microphones. One thing I did notice when I did pull this out of the box, it does this weird thing where it'll just keep saying power on, and the way to fix that is you have to hold it into pairing, and it'll say pairing, and then it'll say pairing complete, and it'll stop doing that. Overall, if you just need a microphone for gaming, this microphone is perfectly fine. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. We're actually going to switch over to the microphone on the 700HX. Alrighty guys, this is the microphone for the Rig 700HX, my apologies. I am actually using RTX Broadcast. I would let you guys know that now. There will be a link in the description to the program if you want to check it out. This just blocks out like typing. I'm sure you can hear me typing a little bit in the background. And that's just my audio cutting in and out because NVIDIA Broadcast is trying to do its thing. But this is me typing, and if I go ahead and like slam my mouse on the table, you probably can't hear it, but you can hear me cutting in and out because that's the program doing its job. It actually uses the RTX cores on your computer to block out that type of thing. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the microphone that is actually microphone. Alrighty guys, this is the actual microphone you're listening to. This is the Fifine Ampligain A67T. Or A76T or something along those lines. I'm sure this microphone sounds a lot better, and I did actually check in the last video. You can hear me typing for some reason. I don't think you can hear me typing now, but for some reason on the old headset when I was doing that microphone test, you could hear me typing, and I do apologize for that. I'm just trying to point out that NVIDIA Broadcast does get rid of the typing. You can check out my review for it. I did a review on it. You'll see it in the cards now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the Rig 800 HD for about a month, and then I'm going to record my thoughts on it. This is either going to be a face of me doing it with my webcam, or this is going to be me talking as I am now, either with the headset microphone or the microphone on my desk, the one I'm talking to you now. So I'll see you guys then. For you, it's going to be 30 seconds. For me, it's going to be about a month or two. So, alrighty guys, so welcome back to the video. So it's been a little over 2 weeks since I bought it, and I just wanted to give my final thoughts and impressions on it. So far, it's been extremely comfortable. It started breaking into my ears. It's not uncomfortable. So this is actually a new microphone as well, so you can kind of compare this sound compared to the sounds on the other parts of the video, which you guys can check out. Final thoughts, yes, it's a really good headset. It's definitely worth the money. There will be a link in the description below, along with some other links to the microphones I'm using, including this one. This is a newer microphone. I don't remember what model it is, but it's an XLR microphone instead of a USB microphone, so you guys can check out all the microphones in the description below. As far as battery life goes, I haven't had an issue with the battery life. I've only had it say battery was low once, but that's because I didn't charge it for a few days. If I let it charge, sometimes I can charge it while I'm using it. I have just a little USB extension thing on the bottom of my desk. If I leave it plugged in for a bit, the battery life goes up enough where it doesn't say just battery low over and over, which was really annoying on my old headset because it would always say that after the battery got low. Otherwise, battery life's been great. That's obviously, that might change with time coming along because batteries degrade over time, so for all we know, the battery could suck down the road, but it should be fine for a bit. That's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.